G'day, Divergence Traders. This is Jason Sweezy here, the Divergence Trader. It is 5 to 11, and it is September 25th. All right. Do we have setups today? Oh, we do. Let's get into it. All right. Okay, so we're looking at the NASDAQ, and we're on... Well, usually I look at the 2 minute or the 5 minute first, don't I? Let's look at the 5. Let's see. Is there anything on the 5? Johnny 5, come alive. Yeah. I guess you could say there is. Let's just make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. All those damn lines on there, eh? Those colorful lines. Okay. The open was right here. Okay. And it came down and it didn't go underneath here and get stops, but it came exactly to the price. Okay. So anyway, after it came up, somewhere in here, you would have looked to buy. It was a double bottom divergence, right? Right here. Do. Come on. There. And right there. And it's a negative, positive, negative trade. Okay, which is good. So if we would have jumped in, woulda, coulda, shoulda, right? Let's say we got in the close. So we got in right here. You had the maximum potential of 212 points or ticks or something like that. This yellow, big yellow line is the low of the previous day, okay? And way up there is a white line at the previous high of yesterday. I like to put them in. I think you should put them in. I think they're important. Okay? So anyway, yeah, that was a good trade, for sure. And that was the only trade on the 5 minute. Let's look at the 2 minute now. See, same trade. See, right here, boom, boom, double bottom, okay? And this right here. And that's a trade. So you would have bought right in here. Let me put an arrow on there. I actually did a trade on the 1 minute today. Yeah. I could show you. Let me show you real quick. And my trade was, we got a high, a retracement, and a higher high, right? Right here, focus here. Okay, let me get rid of that now. And our entry, I just jumped in actually, because it was moving fast. It was the open, right? So I you know, if you jumped in here after this closed, well, you had to do it quick. You had to take it here or you were going to be in trouble. Anyway, I got in somewhere up here. I got 25 points anyway. Sold it there, took it right there at the bottom, 25 points. And that's it. And I did another trade, and I'll show you. It was on the 1 minute. I'm really liking the 1 minute now. It's really good, man. These markets, they move so quick, you need to put it on the 1 minute. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Yeah, that's it. So here is the divergence right there. Okay. And you would have sold it right in there. And down it came, and up it came, and down it came. And right now, it's looking to break this low and go lower. Yes, that's the 1 minute. Okay, we're done with NASDAQ. We looked at the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 2 minute. Doody-doody-do, okay? Okay, that's great. Now, let's look at the S and the P. 5-minute chart, okay? So we had divergence right here. See, low and a lower low and an even lower low. And right there like that. And we would have got in here somewhere. Yeah, right here. And up it went. La-di-da. Right here, and it went to a maximum of 63 ticks. Points. Oh, no, it's ticks. It's ticks. It's ticks. It's tickers. Okay, anyway. That was a good trade there, too. Okay, so then, well, that was the 5-minute. Let's take a look at the 2-minute now. What did it give us? See right here, that doesn't work. Right here either, it doesn't work. There's no divergence here to sell it. There's no divergence here to buy it. Well, that sucks. S&P sucks today. Sucks bananas. Let me tell ya. Oh, talking about bananas, I want to show you something crazy here. Let me see if I can show you this. This is crazy. Very scary and crazy. Hold on. Okay, we're back. Check this out, man. Isn't that scary? Look at the fucking teeth on that thing. And this guy wears it as a... This is some guy in the Philippines. Look at it. Aren't skulls scary? Look at the big holes in the skull for your eye, where your eyes were. And these monkeys have big eyes. And you know your nose is all cartilage, right? So it's not bone. So anyway, some people might know that, some people might not. And anyway, look at these fucking fangs and these big ugly teeth. Oh, that's scary. But you see what these are? These are like you have vertebrae. They look like the spine of a human. He's wearing, like, is this guy a fucking cannibal or what? I don't know. You never know in this crazy world. Okay, let me get back to the chart. Okay, we're back. We're back. Okay, so we're looking at the S and the P. And it's the 2-minute chart. Because there was nothing on the 5 that I could see, was there? Oh, there was the one trade. Okay. Let's look at the 2-minute now. Yeah, that's right. There was no divergence here. We have a high and a higher high, but there's no divergence on here to sell it. And the low retracement and lower low, there's no divergence to buy it. However, excuse me, we have this. Was it perfect? No. Did it work? Yeah. It did. So you would have got in right on the opening of this candle. And the potential on this trade, right here, yeah, potential so far is 28. 28 ticks. All right, let's move on to the pound now. Look at the pound. Woo, woo, wee. Let's see here. Oh, see, there's no divergence up here. No, there's none. So the only thing you could trade is a cross down, right? From the 5 below the 7, right? And down it goes. But however, there is divergence. Let me just move that over. Once again, I'll say, hey, all you streamers out there, don't have the price right over here like this. It's too hard to check it out in the chart. Move the freaking chart over and put it here so people can see what you're talking about and la-di-da. Anyway, that's the second time I've said that. I know there's probably some streamers who watch my stream. I can be certain of it because you see them, and I go and watch other streams, and I see other streamers in that stream that I'm watching. So there you go. Anyway, let's get back to the divergence here. Okay, it's right here. We have a low and a lower low, and there it is. And this is the Great British Pound, and you would have got long in here somewhere. And the max potential on that would be 20 points. There's divergence up here too. See, I always do that and I gotta move it again. Mode Z. Okay. We have a high and a higher high. Oh, grab the wrong thing there. Just like that. And you would have got in from up here. $42 points on that one, on the pound, man. Gotta like that. Gotta like that. Okay, let's check out the euro. 1 minute. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Yeah, let me make this bigger. So, this is in the UK session. This is the euro. We have a low, a retracement, and a lower low right there. And right there. Okay, so yeah, let's make it bigger. Pull it in the middle. So the potential here was not a lot, I'm sure. 22 points. Then we had a high and a higher high right here, and look where they sold off of the main pivot of the day. That's a definite sign right there. Hello, we're going down. Entry would have been right there, and max potential coming down. So far, 118 points, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, that euro sure does like to trade, huh? These past few days. Crazy. Let's take a look at oil now, the last instrument of the day. Okay, what do we have here? We have divergence. We have a high, a retracement, and a higher high right there. And right here from peak to lower peak, right there. And you would have, hold on. You would have got in right here once the 5 crosses down below the 7. And I think this is telling you right here, hello, we're going to go down. And right off the pivot, okay? So let's check out this move. So you would have got in, say, right there to there, 78 points. And then, well, I got to make it bigger. We had more divergence, I believe, right here. Yep. There's a little plate here making a tingling noise. A tingling noise or whatever. Okay. Would have sold right on that candle. On the opening is your worst entry, and your retracement is your better entry. And down it goes. So say we got in right there. Max potential on that trade is 59. So 2 nice trades on oil on the 2 minute. What's this, the 5 minute? No, it's the 2 minute. See, what did we have on the 5 minute? No buy here other than the cross up, okay? Because this is like going down when it needs to go up, okay? And then there's no sell from up here either on the 5 minute. But the 2 minute gave you 2 nice trades. Look at that, man. Look at that. Anyway, it was a good day. Once again, this is Jason Sweezy, and I love to trade divergence for one very simplistic reason. I believe it works. I show you it works. I trade it. It works. So anyway, thanks for watching and listening. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. It's free to like and it's free to subscribe. So please do. Good luck and good trading.